What is up, guys? We're back here with yet another video today, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make some garlic bread. So what you need is some butter and some garlic powder. You also need some Parmesan cheese and 8 slices of bread. It doesn't really matter how much bread you have, but you know. So what you want to do, get some butter, put it only on one side of the bread here. Then do that, just do that to all of them. Okay guys, then once you have all of the bread spread, you want to get the garlic powder, just a tiny bit. Just tap your finger. Okay, that's enough. Take a knife and move it around on everyone. Okay, then once you get done with that, you want to take the Parmesan, just kind of put a couple pieces on each one, as you can see. Get a tiny bit more. Spread it around. Once you get done with that, so you want to put it in the oven and you want to put it on boil. Then you want to put it on the top rack, and that will take about how many minutes? About 3 to 5 minutes. Want to set a timer. Put it at 5. Okay, and that is how you put it in the oven. Okay, so once you take them out of the oven for about 2 minutes, you want to take them out of the oven carefully, and that is how you make garlic bread. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment if you have any other good video ideas.